Now we look at what does it mean by a speed. Speed is nothing but distance traveled by, distance covered by a body, covered by a body in unit time. Distance covered by a body in unit time. Distance covered by a body in unit time. Meaning that, for example, if at all a body has started from point A and reaching to point B, let us say it is traveling a distance of, this is the path traveled by it actually, starting from here and going here. So if at all it is traveling some 10 meters and it is taking, let us say, some 20 seconds for covering this distance, then I can call as speed is nothing but distance by time. Distance by time. So here it is nothing but distance traveled is 10 meters and 20 seconds. So this is in meters, this is in seconds. Therefore 0.5 meter per second, meaning that units of speed are nothing but meter per second or centimeter per second. Here in case it is traveled in meters. Suppose if you want it in centimeters, then 10 into 100, 1000 centimeters per second it is going to be. So units of speed meter per second. So distance traveled by time, meaning that the distance traveled in unit time is called as the speed. So speed is, if at all I consider average speed. Average speed is nothing but if it is covering different distances in different intervals of time. Let us suppose a body's average speed can be defined as total distance covered. Total distance covered. The ratio of total distance covered and total time taken. Total time taken is called as total distance covered by total time taken. For example, so see here, speed can be defined as what, sir? Distance covered by a body in unit time. For example, a body started at A and reaching to the point B, and the distance between A and B is, let us say, 10 meters, and to travel from A to B it has taken some 20 seconds. Then its speed can be given by distance by times, total distance by time. So 10 meters it has covered in 20 seconds. So units are coming out to be meters by seconds. So what is the speed of the body in this case means 0.5 meters per second, means per 1 second it is traveling half meter. So units can be what, sir? Since here it is given in meters, I am writing meter per second. If you want to convert into centimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. That is the reason 10 into 100, 1000 centimeter per second. So generally, unless until it is mentioned, we adopt MKS system or SI system only. So meter per second is the standard unit. Average speed is nothing but what? Here you have only one interval between A and B. Suppose it is covering different intervals in different intervals of time, then total distance by total time taken is called as the average speed. That we will see.